So we're going to take a look at another product that we're going to be testing in the forthcoming episodes of the Night Vision show, and it's the Nite Site Spotter. Paul, tell us about this product. It looks like something that could be pointed at you on the motorway, yeah?
It is a little bit unwieldy looking. When we first tested it with Keith Kirk, we got it out of the box and we thought, whoa, what's this? Yeah, it's a bit large, it's a bit unwieldy looking. It's essentially a night vision spotting device. Okay. There's a high power infrared array, night vision camera, and on the rear you have a night vision screen. So you can turn the screen on for day use, so you can use it as a spotting device during the day and at night.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
So it's actually very handy having that LCD screen on the back. And what kind of people would use this? I mean, it is a big unit, so is it? It
is, yeah. It's primarily designed for hunters, for spotting. Instead of scanning around the field with your lamp and spooking all the wildlife in the field, you scan with that. You use it as a handheld device picking up wildlife. It's got some features on it that you've never seen before, and some night vision binoculars, so I can tell you a bit about that if you like.
Yeah, I mean, I'm looking at this, it's got a focus and a zoom. Is that optical zoom?
Sure, yeah. Well, a lot of night vision devices, particularly the Recon, the Archer, various other handheld digital devices, have a magnification of 4 or 5 times. This has magnification up to 20 times optical zoom. This is where it comes into its own in the field. You can turn the device on at night, turn on the high power illuminators, and you can zoom up to 20 times. You can see detail of wildlife. If you're watching people on a river bank for poaching, you can pick up number plates, you can look at facial features from a long, long way away. It's an incredibly powerful bit of kit. 20 times optical zoom, that's pretty phenomenal in terms of night vision. And it's new. It's a new thing, isn't it? So, this is our first one into Scott country.
Good. And we're going to be testing this on the Night Vision show in the coming months, folks, so look out for this one. In our latest field test with the spotter, we filmed rabbits sitting in a field at 400 metres plus, and using the 20 times optical zoom and focus levers, we were easily able to pick these rabbits out at a great distance. This was nearly 2 fields apart. What we also did was use a man-sized object, in this instance was wildlife stew, to walk down the hill and away from us towards badger sets. This was at a distance of 100 metres, and the blurriness that you can see in the footage is where we're trying to get the focus absolutely bang on and correct, because the levers on the spotter are so sensitive, and it's worth reminding that you'll need to get this exactly right. On the Night Vision show, I'm joined by Jake from Nite Site. Jake, the Nite Site Spotter is a phenomenal bit of kit. We've done quite a bit of field testing with that unit over the last few weeks or so. It's a very impressive bit of kit. Can you tell us why it's so unique and why it stands out against other products?
Well, it's unique in many ways. Not only that it's the only product that guarantees that you'll see over 400 metres without issue, no matter how dark or light it is at night. It's also the only product on the market that offers a full range of zoom in, zoom out capabilities like ours does. It's something that we think really completes the night vision experience for any hunter, no matter what night vision you already have built onto your scope, whether it be an NS50, a 200 or another product altogether. If you get the spotter, it will work in tandem with any product on the market beautifully.
That's right, and I mean we've obviously tested it up in Scotland and other places in the UK. We've tested it on a clear night, we've tested it daylight, low level conditions. Most recently, and some of the footage in this episode, we've been up on the lowlands of Scotland again, and we filmed it where there has been sort of an overcast type sky, and the conditions have been quite moist and wet, to be honest. The spotter itself works absolutely brilliantly, and one of the things that we noticed was the optical zoom. That's 20 times, is that right?
Yes.
And that's exactly why we're doing the Night Vision show, is so we can show people just how good some of these products are and the abilities that they have. Jake, thank you very much for joining us on the Night Vision show, and I'm sure we'll be joining you again in further episodes. Thank you.
No problem, thank you for having me.